Hello, welcome to my first Minecraft tutorial. Today we're going to cover modding the client and installing Forge and several mods through it. So first thing we're going to need to do is go and get the mods that we're going to be installing and the Forge installer. So my servers are running 1.7.2, so that is the version we were grabbing. If the servers you want to play on, or if your single player is going to be using 1.6.4, that's the version you'll want to grab. So grab the versions you need, and then go and pick out the versions of the mods that you want to install and download those as well. Put all those on your desktop or somewhere easy to grab and keep them handy. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that your Minecraft client has run the version of Minecraft that you're going to be installing for at least once. So under your profile, go to Edit Profile and look for Use Version. Under there, select the version of Forge that you want to install. In this case, we're going to install 1.7.2. Save the profile, and you want to load that up once. What that'll do is download and install the files that are needed for that version of Minecraft. Go ahead and close Minecraft and open up the Forge installer. Gives you several options. We're going to be installing the install client today. It should automatically find your Minecraft directory. It will download any needed library files and install them as well as the actual Forge client. Once that's completed, reopen your Minecraft launcher, and in there look for your profiles, and there should be a new profile called Forge. And log back in, and as you can see, it now says ready to play Minecraft 1.7.2 Forge. So we will need to play this once, load it all the way into the core. And what this will do is create all of the mod folders and everything that's needed for playing. So as you can see, there's several changes now. There's a mods button, which will show you all of the loaded mods, and also show you versions of the primary pieces and whether there's a new update for Forge. Go ahead and quit out at this point, and if you go to your start menu and type in %, appdata, appdata, %, and look for the .minecraft folder, you'll see there is now a mods folder in here, and you can literally just drag and drop all of the mods that you want to install into Minecraft into that folder. Reopen Minecraft. And again, make sure you are on the Forge profile. First time it will take a bit longer than usual, simply because it's going to set everything up. But as you can see, there are now 8 mods loaded, and all of the ones are in there. So if we go on, log on to my server, you can see that we now have several new things that weren't there on the prior setup. On the top, you see a compass, shows you which direction you're facing. On the lower left, you can see that there is a armor status and weapon status, or whatever's in your hand. Now, personally, I find that that is a little bit annoying where it is, because when someone types or the chat menu scrolls up, that will cover that. So I'll show you how to edit that position real quick. Close out, go back into your app data folder, and under Minecraft, go to Config. Look for the name of the one that you want to edit. In this case, we're going to be editing the armor status HUD. Go in and edit that and look for Align Mode. By default, it is bottom left. So let's make that top left. Save that. And when you reopen your Minecraft client, you will see that that profile has moved up into the upper left. Most of this is quite that simple to edit. The other thing we'll go over real quick while we're in here is Optifine and some of its options, but I just wanted to show you how to edit that real quick. So as you can see, that is now in the upper left and working beautifully. So Optifine, if you go under Options, Video Settings, there is a lot more options. You can set your render distance way out there. As it says here, if you'll notice, stream recent view distance is very resource demanding. In fact, it is. I usually do about 16. When I understand on multiplayer servers, that is the max that we will actually have an effect. If you look under Details, you have the options to turn clouds on, off, fast, fancy, trees, grass, everything can be done with different models. You can affect the animations, and on a low-end laptop, like the one that I run Minecraft on when I'm not at home, I go from 15 frames a second to 60 or 70 frames a second, so it really does make a huge difference playing with it. And you can still have very good graphics quality and not have any issues. There are some that work beautifully on some machines and not others. I have found chunk loading multi-core, when it works amazing for loading stuff parallel. As you can see, a lot faster world loading. But I have found that on some machines and in some situations, it will cause some ghosting effects where walls and pieces of the world around you, immediately close to you, will fade out, and you can see through them. So that is the Forge client and several mods for it, and there are hundreds and hundreds of mods you can download and install. Some are minor pieces like this, where we've simply changed pieces of the user interface. There are others that are complete remakes. There's a Forge mod that turns your world into Pokemon. It is very cool, and it's very powerful. So that is it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below and let me know. Next time, we're going to cover setting up your own Minecraft server on a home Linux server. If there's anything else you'd like to see, again, let me know below. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.